Hello everybody and welcome to today's piano tutorial. Today I'm going to give you a quick and easy piano tutorial on Ariana Grande's new song, Worst Behavior. This is a pretty easy song to learn. There's really only 3 chords you need to know. So yeah, try to learn it if you want to. I've also covered a few of Ariana Grande's other songs here on this channel. So I think I've done 34 plus 35, POV, Test Drive. Go check those out if you want to learn those as well. Anyways, now I'm going to show you what we are going to learn today, and then afterwards I'll break it down for you step by step so you can learn it for yourself. It's going to sound like this. Anyways, before we get started, remember that if you're getting any value out of this video, remember to drop a like. That really helps me and my channel grow. And remember to hit that subscribe button as well if you want to see more videos like this. Also, drop a comment of what other songs you want to see tutorials for. And so our first chord here is going to be like this. This is going to be an F minor 7 and 9 chord, or F minor 9 you might call it. So we're going to play F in the left hand. You can play octaves if you want, although lots of times I think I just play this bottom one, and then I play A flat, C, E flat, and G here on the right hand. That's our first chord, F minor 9. For our next chord, we're just going to go up to the G here in the left hand, and in just a moment I'm going to explain to you why I'm using this 4th finger here, and then I'll go to this 2nd finger here on the G minor. So this is going to be a G minor 7, so G in the left hand, and we're going to go to G, B flat, D, and F here in the right hand. So first chord, F minor 9, G minor 7, and last chord we're going to go up to a C here on the left hand, and then play G, B flat, D flat, and E. That's a C7 flat 9 chord because we have, this is like a normal C chord, this is our dominant 7th, the B flat, and then we're going to add this D flat here. That's going to be our flatted 9th, and that's what gives this chord its really funky sound. So, all in review now, F minor 9, G minor 7, and C7 flat 9. Oops. All right, so now the next thing we need to talk about is the rhythm that's going to be played with these chords. So since this song is in a 4/4 time signature, we're going to count to 4 beats in every measure. And we're going to start here with our F minor 9 chord. We're going to give this chord 4 beats. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on our G minor chord, this is going to get 2 beats. So we're going to count 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we're actually, you might think like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that G minor and that C are both getting 2 beats a piece. But in reality, what's happening is we're playing this G minor for a little bit less than 2 beats. And then on the and of beat 2 is when we're switching chords to this C7 flat 9th chord. So what we are looking at is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1. And just repeating like that. All right, you pretty much have it all down. You have the chords down now, but I want to teach you a little bit of the bass line as well, so you can just make this song sound just a bit more like the original song. And I think it makes it really fun to play as well. So, like I said before, I'm starting here on my 4th finger, my ring finger that is, on the F chord, or on the F note, I mean. So that's right, when we have our F minor 9 chord. So we're gonna go here, and we need to get to G, so the way we're gonna do that is we're just gonna walk on up, playing F, F sharp, and then G. So it's gonna sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 1. So here we go on the very last, on beat 4, on the and of beat 4, we're gonna, again, after playing this C7 flat 9th chord, we're gonna go back down and a 1. Walk down from G to F sharp to F here in the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 1. Just repeat like that. This time we're gonna change it. So that time, instead of going F, G, F sharp, G, now we're gonna go F, C, G. So if you want to include that, you can, but if not, you can just continue this. But every other time, the way I hear it when I listen to it is it goes like that. So it's the exact same rhythm, but now we're playing F, C, G, C, and then back to G, down to F. So all together, let me play it slowly for you now. It's gonna sound like this. And then just repeating from the top. You also probably saw, sometimes I like to throw in some extra notes as well. Maybe like, since I'm playing the thumb C here, I like to throw in this bottom C as well, just to, you know, mix it up a little bit. And you can kind of just play it how it sounds good to you. Maybe something like this. Anyways, that's all you need to know to play this song, Worst Behavior by Ariana Grande. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey everybody, that's all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below to support me. Drop a comment of some other songs you might want to see a tutorial for, or hit that subscribe button, plus that bell icon if you want to be notified every time I drop a new video. All right, have a super day. I will see you next time. See you later.